Hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. With the Zhiyun Smooth 5 release, the Smooth 4 is now cheaper than before, but is it a good value as a beginner's gimbal in 2021? Let's find out. The Smooth 4 comes boxed with a styrofoam case that doesn't look that interesting, but will do the job with protecting the Smooth 4 as you carry it around. The handle is made of a texturized plastic with buttons and a dial knob. The button has a solid click feeling and the dial knob can be turned with little efforts. And powering on the Smooth 4, you'll see a set of blue LED light, and these blue LED light is also for indicating the battery life. And to the side here is a USB-C port for charging the Smooth 4, and the Smooth 4 can charge your phone during filming, but it is limited to a micro USB port, so you may need to buy another cable. Moving on to the tilt axis motor, which is made of metal, and you'll need to push right to unlock this part of the arm before you can use the Smooth 4. The clamps to hold your phone feels firm and doesn't move around that easily. To take advantage of the Smooth 4, you'll be required to invest some time into learning how to balance your phone on this device. It is very important to play around with this knob to extend or to shrink this arm, otherwise the tilt axis motor will not be balanced and your video will look like it is shot on an angle. With the Smooth 4 weighing about 210 grand, I had no issue with balancing an iPhone XS Max on it. The Smooth 4 does a better job than my iPhone XS Max with stabilizing the video, but it can be better and you'll need to adjust how you walk and hold the Smooth 4 to increase stabilization of your video. So to minimize the bump from walking, you'll need to learn to walk with heel-toe, and to take smaller steps. And holding the Smooth 4 with both hands will further increase your stabilization, and you should attach the stand extension to the bottom so that you can get a better grip on the handle. I find using the Smooth 4 can be challenging because it is distracting the fiddle with the button while filming, and I wish the button layout was more simplified. And I have accidentally knocked the control dial while pressing a button and unintentionally zooming into the subject or changing focus while filming. It would have been nice if the dial has a sensitivity adjustment setting built into it. The reset button works by double pressing the rear bottom button, which will reset the Smooth 4 position, but it doesn't always respond or delays in responding. And to fully take advantage of the Smooth 4, you'll need to use the ZY Play app. Using my iPhone's default camera app did not work as well, and I could not record video by pressing on the record button on the Smooth 4 and need to constantly touch the on-screen button to record videos. The Smooth 4 is not an easy gimbal to use and require you to invest time into learning it. But the same can be said about other gimbals. The button layout is distracting and the lack of support with my iPhone camera app is disappointing, but the cheaper price makes it easier to overlook these shortfalls. But what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking on this channel. See you again!